So it doesn't matter ki from which portal and from which app you are preparing, just utilize that particular thing completely, guys. So in this way you will have 9 question paper and around 900 questions to solve and analyze. Hello friend, welcome to Entry app. My name is Akash Shukla, your educator at Entry. So guys, you already know ki IBPS clerk, IBPS PO, SBI PO 2021 notification has been announced, and the examination of these exams are being scheduled in November and December month. That means banking exams are there back to back. How to prepare for these exams and how we can clear these exams in very first attempt, this is one of the most frequent queries that you guys are asking. So guys, in this video I'll be giving you 3 killer tips to crack these exams. Whether you are beginner level or advanced level aspirant, this video for all the level aspirant guys. So what is the first tip, guys? First tip will be download, analyze and solve the previous year papers of IBPS clerk, IBPS PO and SBI PO, guys. You have to download 2018, 2019 and 2020 question paper. So in this way you will have 9 question paper and around 900 questions to solve and analyze. So guys, analyze the pattern of the questions, how the pattern is being changed year by year, and what is the difference between the level of different examination that you need to know first. What will be the second tip, guys? The second tip will be कि start your preparation with those topics from which the maximum questions are being asked in the examination, and then focus on the rest of the topics. For example, in quantitative aptitude, you have to focus or you have to prepare first the speed maths topics like data interpretation, and quadratic equation, number series, simplification, approximation. So focus on these topics, because from these topics only 20 to 25 questions will be there in the examination. Then start preparing for the rest of the topics that you have in arithmetic section. In the same way, you have to adapt the strategy for the reasoning section. Like for the reasoning, you have to focus on puzzle and sitting arrangement first, because from this topic only you will have 15 to 20 and sometimes 25 questions in the examination. And then prepare for rest of the topics like silox, inequality, direction sense test, blood relation. So this is how you have to prepare for the reasoning section. Talking about the English language section, guys, so first of all you need to know all the important rules that you have in grammar section. For that purpose you have to prepare your spotting error section, phrase replacement, sentence improvement. So from these topics you will have the complete knowledge of the important rules that you will be having in English language section, and then you can prepare for rest of the topic that you have in English language section, guys. So this is how you can prepare for the English language section for all the banking exams. And now the third killer tip, which is one of the most important tip I have to say, guys, key you have to utilize whatever the resources you have completely. Yes guys, whatever the resources you have from whichever the portal you are preparing for the banking exams, you have to use that particular portal or you have to use that particular application completely, like prelims level test, advanced level test, mains level test, sectional test, topic wise test, subject exams or the video courses. So you have to utilize whatever the resources you have completely. Why I am suggesting this? In order to increase the number of questions and the number of study material you have, guys. So it doesn't matter ki from which portal and from which app you are preparing, just utilize that particular thing completely, guys. This is one of the most important tips I have to say. So guys, this is how you can prepare for all the banking exams that are aligned back to back. This is what the information I want to convey you in this video, guys. If you are preparing for any banking and insurance exam in 2021, then you guys can download the Entry app. Link you can find in description in the pinned comment as well, and you can start your preparation for free of cost. You can attempt free of cost prelims level test, advanced level test, mains level test, and memory based papers, daily rank booster, daily vocab, banking awareness, current affairs, and everything that you need to clear the banking exam. If you are the beginner level, then you can go with the video courses also. But for that purpose, you have to download the Entry app. Link you can find in description field and the pinned comment as well. So go and download the app and start your free of cost preparation right now. This is Akash Shukla signing off, and good luck for the examination, guys. Like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.